So most people in this space talk about FedRAMP High as a ceiling, AutogenAI as authorized as high, and to my understanding, that actually satisfies the moderate and low requirements at the same time. It's a superset of requirements. Why does this matter for a contractor working in moderate today?
Yeah, another really good question. I think this is one of the most misunderstood aspects of FedRAMP, and it matters enormously, right? So FedRAMP High is not a separate track.
Yeah.
It's as you said, it's a superset. And when a tool is authorized at high, it has inherently satisfied every control at moderate and low. So if you're a contractor today and your compliance requirement is moderate, which covers the vast majority of federal work, you're not getting a tool that barely clears the bar. You're getting a tool that exceeds it by a significant margin. And I think that's what's most important here. And your compliance requirements are only going in one direction, right? Yeah. The tool you adopt today should be the one that's already where you're going to need it.
Absolutely. So our platform is designed to support IL5 or even IL6 as needed. The list of cloud providers that actually support IL6 is quite short. So if your current proposal tool tops out at moderate or even worse, something like moderate equivalence, which as you've discussed, is not the same as authorization, and FedRAMP itself is very clear on that point that authorization and equivalence are separate things. You're going to be facing, for example, a second vendor evaluation the moment your contract requirements escalate. And as you've mentioned, they always tend to escalate, they never de-escalate. And from just a security standpoint, High simplifies your vendor risk assessment immensely because your ISSO doesn't have to evaluate whether all your tools meet the specific impact level on a case-by-case basis. The High authorization basically covers that as a blanket and simplifies that process. It's listed on the FedRAMP High marketplace with the authorization date, all the usual continuous monitoring obligations that come with such authorization, and you're able to point at that and show that. So that's basically one conversation you can have once and be done with, rather than having to do these conversations multiple times using a moderate equivalent tool.